This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35M is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, oven, TV, external shower, stovetop burner, TV antenna, LP detector, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35M is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.